channel. Today's video is going to be my Ipsy unboxing or unbagging for the month of December. I apologize. I have had a lot going on this month, and this actually came December 12th, and it is Christmas Eve, and I am just filming this video, so I'm sorry. It's just been a lot going on. The lighting hasn't been awesome. You guys know that I don't have a light. I depend on sunlight. So if the lighting is not good outside or the sun is not out, I really can't do a video, honestly, until I get a light. Hoping that I get one very soon. But anyways, we're gonna see what I got in my bag for this month. I have all of the stuff already out. Like I said, I've had this since December 12th. So I already know what's in the bag, and I already have been playing around and using some of the products. So without further ado, if you would like to see what I got in my Ipsy bag for the month of December, then let's get started. So the first things that I got, and I actually got 6 items this year. Sorry, my husband is in the other room, but I got 6 things this month, and this was an extra like 3. Well, really, I got 8 things because these are 3 different face masks. But I got the Creme Shop sheet masks. This month, I have this one, which is the Clarifying Peppermint Cocoa Sheet Mask, and it is infused with peppermint oil, and it treats troubled acne-prone skin. And here is this one. I also got the Let It Glow Ultra Moisturizing Jojoba Oil Sheet Mask, and this repairs dry, cracked winter skin. And these are all limited edition. And then I got the Oh Dear Detoxifying Lemon Sheet Mask. This reduces inflammation and eliminates blackheads. And this is what this one looks like. So those are like the extra 3 things that weren't in the actual bag that came in a little pink packaging. So I wanted to go over those first. But here is the bag for the month of December. It is a gold sequins bag. Really kind of like, you see it's kind of dirty because I literally already used the bag, but it's not my favorite. I'm not into like sequinsy things, if that makes any sense at all. So when I seen this, I was like, oh, it's cute. It's just a sequins bag, gold, a little black tassel, and then the back is black and just says Ipsy in like gold font. So that is a bag. So now going into the 5 actual items that I don't even know where this one is. Oh, I have to find, oh, this is in my room, never mind. So I'll just jump right ahead. So the first thing I got, and I'm actually really excited about this because the last brush that I got in my Ipsy bag, I lost it. Like, I have no idea where it is. And that was actually a really good brush, so I'm really upset about it. But this is by the brand Farrah, and it's just a blending brush. It actually is very like flimsy. The one that I got last month was actually not as flimsy as this one, so I'm kind of upset that it's flimsy. But it's just like a blender brush, but it's kind of like more flat, so I have to play around with it. The only thing I did with it since I've gotten it is like brushed away a little bit of fallout that was underneath my eye, but that was it. But yeah, this is just a blending brush. It's by the brand Farrah. I have to look on my phone to see what exact like number it is. If I can find the number of what kind of brush it is, I'll put it on the screen. But it's just a blending brush, plain and simple blending brush, plain. So the next thing I have is from the brand The Balm. I always get stuff from The Balm, and this is a nude eyeshadow in the shade Bootylicious, and it looks like that. Definitely up my alley. It's very pretty. Life's a beach. That's funny. But yeah, really pretty color. It's like a burgundy brown kind of shade. Just very pigmented. All their stuff is normally really pigmented. Like, I've never had a problem with anything that I've gotten from The Balm. And yeah, so I really like the way this one looks. Definitely a color that you can put like on top of, like on your lid, for just like a little color like I did with that green shade. So I like it. Simple. Always can use a brownish kind of burgundy eyeshadow to just kind of like plop on top of your eye. And yeah, so here is this one from The Balm. The next item we have is by the brand Pacifica. This looks like a full size, and it is a full size. This is a Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe multi-use highlighter. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and this was in the shade Nebula. Now, when I got this, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna use this because honestly, the color that I got, it's like a whitish kind of color. Like, it's very like blue purple toned, and I'm just not into colors like that, but it swatches really nicely. It's just a blue, sorry if y'all hear him, it's just like a blue purple highlighter, and I'm just not into these type of highlighters. So I don't know if I'm going to use this honestly, because it's just blue and purple, and I know for a fact I'm not going to use it, and it doesn't really blend that well. Like now it's blending because I literally just put it on there, but if you wait longer than like 5 seconds and it's on your skin, it's going to dry up, and it's not going to dry up pretty. So I really don't like that about this product. But I mean, if someone would like it, I think it would look much better on really like pale people, because like putting this on my skin right now, it is just gonna look like a straight line of like blue pigment, and I'm not into that. I'm just not into that type of stuff. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to like play around with that one, because I'm not really a big fan of blue purple highlighters. Clearly I have on a gold one today. But anyways, yeah, so that is that. The next product is by the brand Benefit, and this is the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is by the brand Benefit, and it is Gimme Brow, and this is in the number 3. Yeah, and the number 3, sorry. It's a very itty bitty one, so definitely not a full size product, but I have used this already, I think like 3 or 4 times, and it's just a brow gel, and it's in the shade 3. I really needed this because now, well, I did need it when my hair was blonde, now my hair is orange, but this really helped lighten up my brows, because when I did have blonde hair and I was using my like dark brown brow gel or brow like pomade, my brows are too dark, so this really helped in the sense of lightening them. I know a lot of people like fiber brows or anything like that. I have enough brows, so I don't really need the fibers to I really don't need the brow gel situation to make it look like I have more brows than I really do, but I like it, it works. And yeah, I don't really think I would buy the actual brow gel, because I think you can buy other brow gels for cheaper. But I mean, I got it in my bag, it works, and yeah, so I like it. Anyways, I'm filming a video! BJ.
Open your door.
No. Can you go? Can you go?
Open your door.
No, I didn't interrupt you when you was doing your stuff.
I'm not doing a video.
Okay, you were recording. I didn't bother you.
Well, when you tell them people,
What?
I don't know, but
You done?
Yeah.
All right. Anyways, the last thing that I have is from the brand Steve Laurent, and it is a, I think it was a lip oil, right? Hold on. I think it was a lip oil. Yeah, a lip oil in the shade Orchid, and it's just like a lip gloss. It's just like a purple tinted lip gloss. As you can see, I used it. Well, you probably can't. It just looks a little bit darker on the tip part, but it's just a lip oil, and I can use it. I normally use it when I don't have any makeup on, and I just put it on, and it's like a lashes and lip gloss type of day. I'll use this one. So I really like it, and it smells like vanilla. It smells like cake batter or something like that. Like, it smells good. It smells really good. So I'm excited about that. But that is all of the stuff that I got in my Ipsy bag for the month of December. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I apologize for getting this video out so late. I tried to record multiple different times and it just did not work. So yeah, I'm apologizing for that. I also apologize to my husband because anyways, so yeah, if you would like to let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag for the month, please link your video down below. I like the stuff that I got. I really like the brush. I really like the lip like oil type of situation. I really like the eyeshadow. I'm still debating on if I'm going to continue to get the Ipsy bag because nothing has really like wowed me since I got the actual like subscription. So I'm not really sure what I want to do. I haven't made my mind up yet. But yeah, if you like this video and the interruption from my husband, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure Anyways, please hit the notification bell down below to be notified every single time I upload a video, and also make sure to share this video and subscribe to my channel so we can grow our little family and we can just expand more as the months and weeks go on. And I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas or a very merry holiday season, whatever you celebrate. I hope you spend it with your family and friends and you eat lots of food and you open gifts or just have a good time this season. Be safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.